to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Bybit on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom left, click on Home. In Home, you'll find P2P Trading. Click on P2P Trading in here. Now, in here at the top, click on Sell. Then at the top right, you'll find currency. Click on it and select the currency you want. After you've selected the currency and to withdraw money in the bank, click on all payment methods at the top. After you've clicked on all payment methods, in here you'll find bank transfer. Click on bank transfer and press on confirm. After that, you can sell your coins or anything, and the money will directly transfer it to your bank account. This is how to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.